Podger's lots of buddies now, the laughter never stops. Rupert, Denzel, Gavin, Mia love his muddy, messy games. Everybody's different, but he digs us all the same. Bosh, together we can make and do an end. Bosh, together the fun will never end. Bosh, together we are making you a friend. Bosh, boom, the fun will never end.
Sneezy Snufferoos. Boo! I'm Bodge. What a beautiful day. I want to have fun with my friends. I want to play a game with my friends. And I want to... where are my friends? Rupa, Denzel. Mia? Gavin!
Oh, hello, young Bodge.
Mr. Clopperty, what are you doing with all these pots and stringy things?
I've just spread some turnip seeds. And those cheeky birds just love to eat them.
So are you putting up those pots for the birds to eat out of?
Oh, no, Bodge. I'm putting up these pots to scare them away. They don't like the flapping, you see.
Oh, can I help, Mr. Clopperty?
Well, if you hold that tight and walk back a bit. That's it, Bodge. Now hold that pot by your ear. Clopperty to Bodge. Can you hear me?
Whoa! Wow! I can hear you in the pots. Can you hear me?
Whoa! Loud and clear, Bodge.
But how does it work?
All you need are 2 pots, a piece of string, and if you pull it tight, you've got a homemade telephone.
Chatty pots!
Oh, yes. How empty life would be without good conversation. A familiar voice on the end of a line. Never alone.
Bye, Mr. Clopperty.
You know, Bodge, I've a funny story about telephones. I was just a wee foal, about your age. It was a long time ago,
Hello, Dr. Wolf. Can Denzel come out to play?
Sorry, Bodge. Denzel can't have any visitors. He's very contagious.
What does that mean, Dr. Wolf?
It means that he is full of germs which he could give to you and make you sick as well. He should be better in a day or 2.
Oh, but... Ah!
Oops. Coming, Denzel. I'd better close this window, Bodge. Doctor's orders.
Oh, poor Denzel. He's got the Sneezy Snufferoos. I'll think of something to cheer you up.
Oh, I don't know, honestly.
Achoo! Huh?
Oh, there's that as well.
Ooh.
Very much more.
Achoo! Oh, no. Mia's got the Sneezy Snufferoos too. Hiya, Mia. Yay! Over
Hello, Bodge.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Twitch. I'm cheering Mia up.
Oh, that's very sweet, Bodge. But to get better, Mia also needs her rest. Why not pop back tomorrow?
Oh, okie dokie, Mrs. Twitch. Don't worry, Mia. I'll think of something else to cheer you up.
996. 997.
Hello, Mr. Niblet. can Rupa come out to play? It's a lovely sunny day.
Hi, Boj. 998. I'm afraid she 999. Can't see you. 1,000. Whew. She's not at all well.
Has Rupa got the Sneezy Snufferoos too?
The sneezy what now? Oh, I see. Yes, she's full of cold. Ooh. Hup, 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 hup.
Huh? Hello, Podge. Hello, Rupa. Don't worry. I'll think of something to cheer you up. Ba 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 ba. Yeah. I wonder if Gavin can play. Whoa! Ooh!
Hi, Boj. As you can see, nothing can get in or out of the Germbuster 900i.
Oh no! Gavin's got the Sneezy Snufferoos too.
Yes, he therefore requires total isolation. Time for your medicine, Gavin.
Don't worry, Gavin. I'll find a way we can play together.
Hello. Oh, hello. It's for you. Just putting you through.
Hello, Grandma. Aha! I just had a boj-a-boom idea! All my friends have the Sneezy Snufferoos and can't come out to play. But my boj-a-boom idea will soon get everyone having fun together. Let's get bodging!
And so I said, can you hear me, Mother? That gets me every time.
Mr. Clopperty, have you got any leftover yogurt pots and string?
Yes. I think so, Boj. Why?
All my friends have got the Sneezy Snufferoos and they can't come out to play.
Oh, dearie me. That doesn't sound good.
So I'm going to make chatty pots so we can all have fun even if we aren't together.
Oh, chatty pots are the perfect answer. Here, and remember, always keep the string tight, Boj.
Thank you. Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
I can hear you loud and clear.
This is amazing.
Boj, it's brilliant. Hello, everyone. Now we can all have fun and talk to each other.
Wow! Amazing! Fantastic!
Oh no, the Sneezy Snufferoos have taken over.
Hey, Boj. What's all the commotion?
I made some chatty pots, but I think everyone's too ill to talk.
Ingenious invention, Boj. But I'm afraid my patients need some rest.
Oh, I'm so bored.
Doctor's orders, everyone.
I know what'll cheer you up.
What's that, Pops?
How about a little concert?
Yes! We can turn the chatty pots into radio pots. And now, broadcasting live from the boj-a-boom radio burrow, it's Pops!
Snuffly, sniffity, big boo-hoo, Floppily, flappity, sneezeroo. You all have colds, or what do we do to make you all feel better? Cloppity, pottery, telephone swing, chattery, clattery, bish, bosh, bing. Tune in, you can hear me sing, and then we'll all feel better. Fix it up with tape and glue. Making stuff is what we do. You can make it better too. It's time to make it. Mix it, mend it, then you won't feel blue. Snuffly, sniffly, beep, boo-hoo. Floppily, flappity, sneezeroo. Now we sing this song for you to make you all feel better. We sing this song together, and soon we'll all feel better.
Shoo!
Bodge, hey buddy, are you looking for a friend? Bodge, together, the fun will never end.
He popped up in Giggly Park with Mimi and his pups. Bodge has lots of buddies now, the laughter never stops. Rupert, Denzel, Gavin, Mia love his muddy, messy games. Everybody's different, but he digs us all the same.
Bodge, together we can make and do and mend. Bodge, together, the fun will never end. Bodge, together we are making you a friend. Bodge, boom! The fun will never end.